Alright, so we just checked into our Legoland hotel room. Look at this, there's a safe there. You have to do like treasure maps every day to get the combination to lock it out, to unlock it. What's this? They left a box of Lego for us to play with.
And this is my room.
Oh my goodness, look at this. This is Billy's room.
It's a bunk bed, but I'm going on the bottom.
Oh my gosh, look at this. There's a TV. What's this? There's like things you can turn to play with. The friends. Oh my gosh. Look at the bunk bed. Oh my gosh, this is Billy's room. This is so cool. Come out here. Look at this. Look at all the stuff on the floor.
Oh, and you missed something.
Yeah, I saw the dog. Oh my gosh. Look at this. There's a coffee maker and there's a big fridge. And TV. What's in here? Oh, this is an ice. Oh, for ice.
Hey,
Coffee.
Mum, look what I found.
Oh, that's to get us into the parks early in the morning. The lady gave them to me. Look at the bathroom. There's a light. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow. Like a little step ladder under there and everything. And then this is the main bedroom. TV. Is there another light switch for this? Oh, mirror.
That's off.
Oh, did I turn it off? I don't know what that was then. Look at the mirror and look at the flowers.
Two black eyes.
Oh.
I'm gonna have one.
Look at the Lego flowers.
They can move a bit.
Look, my ribbon. For being, dropped the phone. Being an excellent horse rider. And there's my cat. Look at the bed. The bed is like in a stable. Oh my goodness.
Want more white?
My view, not that great, but look at this. Look, there's hay over here. Oh my goodness. This is so cool.
You got a cat and I got a dog. Back to
This is so cool. Look, there's a duck up there and everything.
and a butterfly.